Good day, all my social media friends and family, those who give me the thumbs up, those who give me the fist bump. Where's the fist? There you go, fist bump. And those who like it and share my pages and episodes and leaving me great comments. This is the Incredible Gregory Hunter, host of the Home Environmental Medicine Show, creator of the new paradigm of the healthcare industry called Home Environmental Medicine. I'm right now on day number 2 of an intensive cleaning of a home where there's a patient who's soon to be discharged from respite, and I need to prepare that environment to make sure it's clean and safe for her. So I'm waiting for the people who will give me access to the unit to come down and open it up for me so I can get back in there and continue my work. One of the things that happens when sometimes people call and they want pricing and estimates for my work is they want to know how much does it cost. And I say, well, there's a number of variables that will determine how much it costs, but it's best for me to come and do a walk through the unit so that I can make an accurate assessment. And they suggested taking some photographs for me and sending them. The photographs they took were fine, but it didn't give me the whole picture. Now, for example, when I came into the unit yesterday to begin the work, the first thing I noticed was there was a smell, an odor of tobacco smoke product, which means that this environment has to have special care and treatment for a person who's coming from the respite because the person has multiple sclerosis, and this will not do well. She will not do well in that environment. And so those are the kind of things that I can't detect over the phone. I can't give you a quote on a home that that information has not been shared or divulged. And you definitely can't see that the home has been smoked in from a photograph. So it's best for me to come and do a walkthrough, and then I'll give you accurate pricing, and we'll get that job done for you. Hope you're enjoying your day. The Home Environmental Medicine Show is just about at 50,000. We're at 49,867 views this morning, and we're loving that there's actually more momentum now as we're getting closer to 50,000 for the views and likes and shares of the show. So enjoy your day and get outside, breathe some fresh air. Your gut needs it. Your gut will thank you. Your heart will thank you. Your blood will thank you. Your immune system will thank you. Take care.